Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Don't you hate it when your cabinet doors slam and they make a loud noise? These little round cabinet bumper pads from Scotch eliminate that problem. So these are self-sticking and they're super easy to use. You just peel them off of the sheet and they have an adhesive on the back, which you can stick right onto your cabinet doors or to drawer faces as well. They stick really well and they definitely hold. I haven't had any issues with them falling off at all. And they are clear, and so they don't really stand out either. They just kind of blend in, and they do a great job of protecting your cabinets and doors from slamming together and causing scratches or dents or anything like that. I also love that it does have a sound dampening effect. So these cabinet doors are soft close, but if they weren't, this would really be a great way to prevent that slamming sound from happening. So these are a really simple way to ensure that your cabinet surfaces are going to stay in tip-top shape, and you can use these for other uses where you want to keep a surface protected. So I've been super happy with these little bumpers. They're easy to install and they work great, and that's my point of view.